Hello there, my name's Alan and I'd like to introduce you to the BZ400 Crimper. Comes with full instruction manual, some spare seals and O-rings. The model is the BZ400. Comes with 2 batteries. Each battery is good for around 120 crimps. And the die range that it comes with includes from 16mm right through to 400mm copper. To turn on this crimper, we simply press an on button here at the top. And pull the trigger. The head will rotate a full 360 degrees, making this a very versatile hand crimper, battery crimper. The batteries are 18 volt. The unit also has a light on the front here, which would help improve vision when crimping in dim light. We have a counter on the front here to count the number of crimps. The unit is available through eBay or on our online store at cmark.com.au. Finished.